In this video I give you all info about sand wax. What is it, for what is it, how to use it, and why is it cooler than you think. Have you ever wanted to make a beautiful candles by your own hands without the hassle of pots, thermometers and wax spills in your kitchen? This isn't just a wax. It's a sand wax, pearl wax, snow wax, people call it all kind of names. It's a natural, odorless, doesn't smoke, and the best part, you can make candles with it, literally with one hand, in 1 minute. No fire, no risk. Candela Sand is a sand wax. It's made from natural stearic acid. Sometimes it's called palm wax, but in my documents it's called stearic acid, with added pigment, but white without pigments. It's a clear. No paraffin, no smell, no toxins. It looks like beads. You can layer it, mix it, and then you just insert the wick and light it. That's it. Candle is ready for 1 minute. And the flame goes out, you just remove a leftover wick and this burnt stuff, pour some fresh wax, add fragrance if you need, insert a new wick, and that's it, and done. No waste, no complications. You can change colors, add fragrance, make the new candle again and again, like a construction set. This is perfect solution if you want to try candle making. You can do it yourself or just with child. This is safe, quick and creative, and your kid no burns, because no high temperatures before you light it. And the result looks like you bought a designer home decor. To be honest, I don't like to make candles. All of that. Stove, thermometer, different waxes, spilled wax. So much trouble just for one candle. And also because I'm not exactly good with candles. Candle makers takes usually 10-30 minutes, depends of candle and depends of level. I spent for one candle half a day. But then I found sand wax. I poured it into wine glass, inserted a wick, lighted and just stared. Because it was beautiful and easy, too easy. It was one of these moments when you find something that no needed skills and time. I made another candle, then I show it to my friends. They start asking about candles like this. And just like that, without planning, without anything, I got hooked. Candela Sand is a great way to impress the girl. In just few minutes you can make a few candles. Pour the wax to the shot glasses, wine glasses, salad bowl, saucer, jar, whatever. Insert the wick, light it, and that's it. She's love it. She's like it. It's a perfect for the romantic dinner, some celebrations, parties, birthdays, weddings, gender parties. This is blue one, we have a pink one. The cheapest option is €4.49 for 250 grams. That's enough for 5-8 candles like that, 2-3 candles like that. This is about 80 grams. You can layer it, create patterns, play with shapes. These colors doesn't bleed in, doesn't migrate, it don't mix to the mud. These candles is 3 years old. And look at these colors. Layers is so bright. No mud. Everything is good. You can create the art candles just for a couple minutes. Candela Sand seems amazing in clean containers. Glasses, jars, shots, goblets, salad bowls. That's why photographers, restaurants, event decorators love it. It's a perfect for weddings, dinners, photo shoots and home decor. I often take wax and wicks to every party. Instead of ready-made candles, my friends make candles themselves. They make their own candle. Each person make the unique candle. It's not just original, it's a real wow effect for your events. If you want, you can add your favorite fragrance, just a few drops, and your candle smells amazing. When the layer with fragrance. Burned? You can add a new fragrance. You cannot do it with ready-made candles from the store. Candela Sand burns as long as regular candles. For a strong, steady flame, we recommend to use thick wick, 50 PLY cotton wick or a wooden wick. They even crackle like a fireplace. And don't forget about safety. Never leave candles unattended and don't place it near fabrics or curtains. And yeah, I don't have curtains, but this is not because of candles. And yes, we do sell wigs too. We have two special collections, LOFT series and PEARL series. LOFT series: beton, concrete, granite, asphalt and black. Minimalist, stylish, elegant. For those who think our black not enough black, we have super black, darker than night, but it costs plus 30%. You cannot find it in our website. If you need it, please text me to the email. PEARL series: Candela Sand, white, gray, light gold, dark gold. Sparkling colors with a glitter-like effect. Perfect for celebrations. These candles looks especially beautiful on a sunlight, under warm lamps and string light. If you have a business or you want to start workshops, Candela Sand is ideal for that. You can host group workshops, team building events, or simply sell Candela Sand, soap and candle making stuff in your shop. We have special terms for business. Please text me to the email, I send you catalog with prices and samples. Our minimum 250 grams, but we can send even a pallet. We don't care, this is not a problem. Worldwide shipping. We also have a lot of non-bleeding pigments for soap, candles, plaster and jasmonite. And we have dye for bath bombs and silicone molds. All links and contacts in the video description and channel description. If you use our pigments, wax or silicone molds, please tag us in social media. We'd love to see your crafts. Comment what do you think about sand wax. Like if you enjoy DIY content. Subscribe to the channel. There is more exciting stuff coming soon. See you in the next video.